A compact circular saw is a portable and versatile cutting tool that offers the precision and power of a traditional circular saw in a smaller, more maneuverable package. Designed for ease of use and portability, these saws are ideal for a variety of cutting tasks, from woodworking projects to home renovations. In this video, we will show you guys the 7 best compact circular saws you could buy now. You can easily decide which is best for you. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump to the video. Number 7. SKIL SPT C3607M8-01. The SKIL SPT C37M8-01 is equally at home on a framing site, a remodeler's job, or in a home workshop. Budget-friendly, it's amply designed without a single frill. There's no vacuum port, soft start, or electric brake, and that was just fine with us. First, the blade orientation is ideal for right-handed users, and the compact direct drive design means it can handle working in cramped spaces like cutting studs in a basement, or working in a kitchen remodel. It's also equally at home on a set of sawhorses on a deck building project. Its magnesium shoe takes weight out of the tool while adding durability, which is a real advantage for people who are tough on their tools. The 10-foot cord is awesome, flexible, and easy to wrap around the saw for storage. Plus, the tool is extremely well balanced, making it ideal for cutting in cramped spaces like a recently kitchen remodeled or when working on sawhorses building a deck. Number 6. Worx WX531L. The Makita SH02R1 achieves a 30% faster cutting speed than the previous AC circular saw, with an impressive no-load speed of up to 6,900 RPM. The same power share batteries that run this cordless circular saw can conveniently be used with 140+ power tools, outdoor power equipment, and lifestyle products from the Worx Power Share platform. This compact circular saw is the lightest and most compact option in its class, measuring just 14 inches in length and weighing only 4 pounds, without battery. Move around your workspace comfortably and effortlessly without fatigue. Thanks to the brushless motor and advanced circuit control tech, this circular saw delivers 2x more cutting capacity than bulky traditional models, easily slicing through 1.5 thick wood. It only takes a simple turn of a knob to get the perfect cuts with your battery circular saw. Use the bevel cut adjustment knob to set precise cutting angles from 0 degrees to 46 degrees. Number 5. Makita SH02R1. The SKILSAW SPT 77W01 weighs just 3.5 pounds, but it can drive the 3 3/8 inch wood blade at up to 1,500 RPM through plywood, medium-density fiberboard, pegboard, particle board, melamine, and drywall at a maximum depth of 1 inch. The cordless saw kit also includes a blade, battery charger, 2 batteries, and a carrying case to protect each item. Any kitchen, bath, flooring, or millwork installer would keep this tool on their truck. Because of its small size, it would be a great tool for cutting out cabinet backs or bases, plunge cutting flooring for a heat register, or oddball cuts in remodels where dust is an issue. This saw with its 2 batteries and included charger is a lightweight, nimble, get-out-of-jam-free cart. It's part of the expanding 12V Max CXD series, combining performance with superior ergonomics in a compact size. Number 4. SKILSAW SPT 77W01. The SKILSAW 540602 comes at 1 pound. Lighter than its predecessor, this saw combines the power and durability you expect from SKIL with job site proven, pro-focused features. On top of our legendary worm drive, you get the best-in-class dual-field motor, engineered specifically by SKIL for saws. You've got your hands on the next evolution of the saw famous for cutting truer and lasting longer. Worm drives are awkward, longer than sidewinders, and rather front-heavy, but their front-heavy design is what makes them so great. Carpenters can use the saw's length and weight to reach across a sheet of plywood or drop-cut deck joists in place and cut framing boards off the stack while building a house or addition. The SKILSAW delivered on all the features that make a circular saw great. It's got a stamped steel plate, which may deform from repeated drops, but the rest of the tool is purposefully designed to build. Number 3. SKILSAW 540602. The SKILSAW 540602 has enough power for cutting larger materials like 2x4s and sheet goods. However, at 2A, think of volts as the gasoline and amp hours as the size of the tank, it can't do it for long. Plus, it had to work hard the whole time. Though, according to the product manual, higher amp batteries are compatible and sold separately. The tool has basic light-duty adjustments and a stamped steel shoe that make it a go-to for periodic DIY work like replacing some deck boards, trimming a door, cutting a few fence posts, or building a compost bin. The blade is not so hot, and the tool only comes with one battery, so unless the user has other SKIL batteries to swap in, runtime is limited. The 6.5-inch blade is small. However, 6.5-inch blades can handle 90% of what needs to be cut. The unit is small and well balanced. Number 2. SKIL HPT C3607D-AQ4. The SKIL HPT C3607D-AQ4 is equally at home on a framing site, a remodeler's job, or in a home workshop. Budget-friendly, it's amply designed without a single frill. There's no vacuum port, soft start, or electric brake, and that was just fine with us. First, the blade orientation is ideal for right-handed users, and the compact direct drive design means it can handle working in cramped spaces like cutting studs in a basement, or working in a kitchen remodel. It's also equally at home on a set of sawhorses on a deck building project. Its magnesium shoe takes weight out of the tool while adding durability, which is a real advantage for people who are tough on their tools. The 10-foot cord is awesome, flexible, and easy to wrap around the saw for storage. Number 1. Metabo HPT C3607DAQ4. The Metabo HPT C3607DAQ4 is made for operation on its 36V battery platform or powered up through an adapter that plugs into the wall or an extension cord. Lines of sight to the blade are good, the handle is comfortable, and there are no issues exchanging the battery or adapter, sold separately. Runtime for the 36V4A battery was excellent during testing. While the stout aluminum shoe isn't the toughest, it's among the most robust in the group and makes the saw feel lightweight without feeling hollow. The tool ran smoothly and ejected dust out of the right-mounted dust port. This saw can be hooked up to a vacuum with the included adapter. It is smooth, powerful, and professional performance in all the materials we cut with this saw. Make sure to check the description box for all the links regarding the mentioned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We will be back with more videos soon.